Happy Feature Friday. Tracy here from GoRev. Just wanted to highlight one of our new features, our GoRev University. It's a website where we have all of our video tutorials. To access our video tutorials, click on your name in the upper right-hand corner. Next, select GoRev Video Tutorials. This will take you to the website where we have our tutorials. Use your GoRev credentials to log in. Once inside, you'll see all of our tutorial videos. Here at the top, we have top categories where you could select the category and it will pull in all of those videos for that particular category. Here we've pulled in all of the posting videos. Next, we'll select registration, and as you can see, it's pulled in all of our registration videos. To clear the filter, select Clear Filters. This will take you back to all of the videos and clear that filter for you. Now, you could also search here for a category or a video. There's two ways to watch a video. You can hover over the video and select the play button from there, or you could utilize the drop-down arrow here, which will open up the video, show you what is in that video with a brief description, the length of that video, and the category it belongs to. From here, you could select play to play the video. It will take you in to load the contents of the video. Next, select play to play the video. To get back to the menu for all of the videos, simply select Video Tutorials that takes you back to the video screen. To log out of the website, simply select the icon here and then log out, and it will log you out of the website. And that concludes our Feature Friday. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video, and I hope you have a great weekend. Thank you.